Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Primary Books Academy. Today's topic is Essay on My Pet. 10 lines essay. Number 1. My favorite pet is a parrot. Number 2. He is multicolored, green, yellow, blue and red. Number 3. He has a large beak, a short neck, 2 beautiful wings and a long tail. Number 4. He has 4 toes on each foot, 2 front and 2 back. Number 5. My parrot has a very loud voice. Number 6. I teach him to talk. Number 7. He knows many words and can talk well. Number 8. He is playful, talkative and a great pet. He lives in the cage. Number 9. He can eat almost anything human eats. I give him food and water every day. Number 10. He likes fruit and vegetables. I like my parrot because he is funny. So, these are the 10 lines on my pet. If your pet is a parrot, then write these lines. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification. And if you like my video, then please like it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.